Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and Dlaminis on Monday, Kwenzo embarks on his journey to healing, extending an invitation for drinks amidst Sibongile's awkward presence. Meanwhile, Kapelani advises Njengaye to take Isithembu. On Tuesday, Nomalanga confides in Gina, admitting her remorse for pushing Kwenzo too far. She expresses her deep concern for Kwenzo's shattered state and resolves to help him heal with a questionable method. Phetheni discovers Njengaye's little plan to kick Vusi out of the house, and she cuts him down to size. On Wednesday, a stranger takes a picture of Nomalanga, who is not pregnant, and Phetheni sees the picture on social media. Velepi vows not to speak to Sipho until he comes up with a business plan to take care of them. Thank you guys for watching. Please do